So I hosed Sunny off just below his neck to try to cool him off. It is so hot out. I don't even know what the temperature is, but it feels like it's 100. And then I know it's hot in the barn, and that's where they've been hanging out for some reason. But I put it on real gentle and gave him some yummies, so he let me hose him off, so I'm hoping that cools him off just a little bit, and he goes and lays in the shade. Of course, the girls won't let me. You know, they don't like water of any kind under any circumstance. So they're laying in the barn too, but it's so hot in there. They don't get any breeze or anything. Windows are open and the door's open, but it's still hot, so hopefully that'll cool him off a little bit. Crazy donkey. There you go. Yep, there he is. You all fired up? So the babies just came in from out in the forest, and they're all fat and happy. Sonny found a little bite of alfalfa on the floor. Listen how loud he is. I may give him just a little handful of alfalfa as a treat, but it's not good for him. It's too high in protein. Look at these fat little girls. He's blocking his sister. Coco. Coco. What's on sister's head? What are y'all doing? Kaya's like, my spot. Oh. We're gonna fight over the bed now. Kaya, baby girl, what's on your head? Piece of alfalfa. Watch out. Sonny's gonna try to get it. They both want that spot. Look, she's like, I will push you off. They're gonna fight over the bed now. Well, you ate too much. You both don't fit no more. Get that piece of alfalfa off your face before Sonny gets it. Look at them. Look how, when they get back from the woods, look how chunky they are. And by tomorrow it'll be all reprocessed and gone. Girls. Seems like you're disturbing my snack. He's so loud you don't even hear it. Alright, girls, settle down. They're crazy. They're just absolutely crazy. We need a third or fourth goat. So there's one clear queen. Oh, hello. These both think they're queen. They both think they're boss. Really? Did you get alfalfa up your nose? You're not supposed to sniff it. Silly donkey. Alright, girls, time to calm down. It's beautiful outside. It's cooled off and they're loving that. Me too. I love it too.